Select and jacks. Stop wasting time.
We're not wasting time. This video game teaches us valuable life skills. Quick, Master Evil Bunny!
Give me that phone.
Oh, what a whip!
Here, discover this frog.
Oh, man. Why do we always have to do something? Yeah. Wait. What? We are frogs. So? Then why are we discovering a frog? Oh!
I'm standing right there. You guys are dummies.
We're dumb, you're right. Yeah, you're right again.
Plus, I can hear everything you say. I'm always right. I'm a teacher. Anyway, if you don't want to discover this, then you are going to stay at school for whole afternoon and clean up the science lab.
What would we do with this frog? Just chuck it. 1 point. Yes. How about this? Push it again. 2 points. Let's go back to our game. My turn.
Bro.
Could you be more quiet? Yeah. Done. Done.